China product, illegal on APK, illegal on China product, China illegal on APK, illegal on China product, China product offer चलते illegal on APK, China product offer चलते illegal on APK offer। जी हाँ ठीक ही सुनছেন।